Hi everybody, welcome. Today I have the ELGATO CAM LINK 4K device and I'm going to tell you how to log in into your application. So as you can see now, this is our application main menu, and now we have to, the first step is to click this person icon in the top right corner and click sign in. And now as you can see, you can log into your account using Discord, Google, Twitch or Facebook, or create a new account using your credentials, which is first name, last name, email and password. Here is Discord, Google and Twitch. If you want to just sign in, go to sign in and let me just sign in. Let's wait a moment. Now, as you can see, we have, after logging in, Open Camera Hub. Here we have to just click Open Camera Hub. And now we can close the web browser. And as you can see, instead of this person icon, we can, here we can see that this is our account. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.